Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Velveeta cheesy skillet. And here are the ingredients: a package of Velveeta skillets, water, and pre-roasted chicken. Let's get started, guys. I have heated a pan to medium, and now I will add my pre-cooked chicken. I will also add about 2 cups of water. After adding the water, now we could add in our pasta. That was included in the package of Velveeta skillet. After we add our water, chicken, and pasta, we will cover the pan with a lid and cook everything for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it becomes nice and tender. "15 minutes has passed. Now it's time to uncover it and see if our pasta is cooked. After our pasta is cooked and is nice and tender, now we can add our Velveeta cheese that came in the package. Since this is salsa con queso style, we will add in our salsa. And this also came with the package. After we add our cheese and salsa, now we can stir it all together. And also, we are still having medium heat or low heat. Our cheesy Velveeta skillet is done, guys. Now let's plate it. To add a little color, let's garnish it with some green onions. This cheesy Velveeta skillet is so delicious. We could double the recipe and make it for potluck, or just use one box and have it for dinner with friends and family. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.